Yamato has developed the VG Series, a new, highly efficient short cylinder bed interlock stitch machine. The VG Series is equipped with new unique mechanisms for improving sewing quality, productivity, and versatility, and is also designed for easy maintenance. Further, the VG Series has attained the world's highest sewing speed of 6,500 stitches per minute to improve productivity. On the other hand, noise and vibration frequent in high-speed operation is reduced compared to conventional machines. The VG Series has introduced a new linear differential feeding system. The movement of differential feed is engaged with the main feed. The differential feeding ratio is stable even with the change of stitch length, and readjustment is not required. Condensed stitch to prevent raveling on overlapped portion at the end of seaming can be installed easily and quickly. Differential feeding ratio can be changed by adjusting outer lever even while sewing, and the micro adjuster enables you to obtain proper differential ratio according to the various kinds of material. With its short cylinder bed, the VG Series is applicable for a wide range of sewing operations. From needle drop point to left end of the cylinder is only 45 millimeters, 30 millimeters shorter than conventional cylinder machines. By fitting extension cover, it can be used for hemming operations, binding tapes, and so on. Thanks to the new looper thread take-up system, threading is simplified and easy maintenance is ensured. As the cam is located outside the machine frame, it is easy to unwind looper thread in case it winds itself around the cam. The cam can be replaced easily according to its application and purpose, such as changing the cam for use with a 2 or 3 needle to a single needle. Also, the cam can be prepared as desired to match a particular thread and condition. No moving parts on top of machine head. The new needle thread take-up system eliminates needle bar thread take-up. The system satisfies various safety standards. Also, there is no need to worry about oil leakage from upper needle bar as it is securely sealed. Needle bar stroke can easily be switched over from 31 millimeters to 33 millimeters. It only requires a change of position of an eccentric pin on the needle bar. The epoch making system dramatically shortens the time for conversion. The presser foot of the standard model is not only for hemming operation, but also applicable for cover seaming operation with additional parts. The VG Series walking foot is available on the submodel. This unique presser foot slides back and forth in cooperation with the lower feed dog's movement, and the pressure can be set as low as possible. Therefore, it makes for smooth feeding and prevents twisting of hem even at high-speed operation. In the new foot lifter system, the outer lever enables you easy assembly and adjustment without removing top cover. Only the replacement of the front cover and gauge parts enables you to convert the machine from the standard to a submodel for attaching collarette tape with a folder. In the VG Series, a self-cleaning system is also available as an option. This system eliminates accumulating dust around the area under the stitch plate and ensures a clean operating environment. It simplifies maintenance and prevents trouble caused by dust. In the VG Series, submodels fitted with compact servo motor are also available. The motor is mounted directly on the machine head and driven by a toothed belt. It ensures accurate control and eliminates trouble caused by the use of a V-belt such as dust, etc. As it is mentioned before, with its upgraded system and performance based on various new ideas, the VG Series will be the solution to your demands. For its various user-friendly features, the VG Series is awarded the 30th New Machine Development Prize, set up by the Japan Society for the Promotion of Machine Industry. We now have the model VG2735E equipped with a new right-hand trimming knife mechanism in addition to general features of the VG Series. This new trimming knife mechanism is designed for easy installation and removal, which was impossible with conventional one. With this new right-hand trimming knife mechanism, not only attaching pre-closed elastic band or tapes is possible, but also hemming operations, cover seaming, and binding tapes can be done on the same machine by removing the mechanism. It contributes to higher versatility and better productivity for equipment investment. This new right-hand knife trimming mechanism is easily switchable between disengageable style of tubular material and fixed style for open material. The position of the right-hand trimming knife can be changed easily according to the application. Now we'll present some conversion cases for various applications based on the VG2735E. The first case is a conversion to the model for attaching pre-closed elastic bands with the trimming knife mechanism. Here is the conversion kit for attaching pre-closed elastic band. First, set the trimming knife mechanism to be disengageable. Just push over the lever and push the button. Next, install the guide for the pre-closed elastic bands. Then set the front roller and supplementary roller, and also set the rear roller to give tension to the elastic band according to the size. In VG series, a new upper roller is also available. This upper roller is set above the elastic tape guide. The operator can see the position of body material easily for smooth operation. A puller kit for the VG series is also available if necessary. Choose the suitable puller, the gear type, or flat rubber type according to elastic tape and material to be sewn. Install the puller. Now conversion is finished. It is easier to see the end of the body material, and smoother operation can be obtained than the conventional machine. Conversion to the model for attaching elastic tapes on ladies' underwear. Push over the lever and release the push button to make right-hand trimming knife mechanism fixed. Here is the kit of parts for changing the position of the right-hand trimming knife mechanism to move it closer to the needle dropping point. For this operation, the distance between trimming knife and needle drop point should be as close as possible to turn small radius curves. The position of right-hand trimming knife can be changed just by placing lower knife holder, and upper knife. An upper metering device kit with stepping motor driven upper metering device is available for feeding elastic tape. Install the upper metering device and guides onto the sewing head. The upper metering device with the VG series can be swung out like this for easy threading. In this control panel, a maximum of 20 different tape feeding amounts with stitch counting can be set in one operation, and cutting of elastic tape can also be controlled. 26 different operations can also be stored. Further install AEF31 compact type clamp system automatic tape feeder. Now conversion to the model for attaching elastic tapes is finished. A stepping motor drive upper metering device enables accurate and high quality finish. Here you can see the same operation case with independent tension device without upper metering device. Up to this point, we've presented conversion cases using the right-hand trimming knife mechanism. Now we'll present cases without the right-hand trimming knife mechanism, one of the biggest features of the VG series. The right-hand trimming knife mechanism of the VG series is designed especially for easy and simple installation and removal. With this new mechanism, the VG series can be used for hemming, cover seaming, and tape binding operations after removing the right-hand trimming knife mechanism, and contributes to a higher versatility and better productivity for equipment investment. To remove whole right-hand trimming knife mechanism, remove the stitch plate, remove the screw at lower knife holder bracket, remove the upper knife link, remove upper driving shaft from feed lift shaft. Then install covers, install the frame cover, change the front cover and slide cover. The time required for this conversion from removal of the trimming knife mechanism to the installing and changing of covers is less than 15 minutes. Finally, install supplementary block onto the stitch plate holder. Now the machine can be converted to the standard model by removing the right-hand trimming knife mechanism like a VG 2700. Just install gauge parts or devices according to the application. Now we'll present the conversion to the model for the bottom hemming of t-shirts. The WF1 walking presser foot is designed to slide back and forth in cooperation with lower feed dog's movement to prevent twisting and ply shifting. Here is the conversion kit for WF1 walking foot. Now convert the standard presser foot to walking foot. Change the feed dog and stitch plate from bottom hemming and then change the presser bar and springs with following the procedure and install the presser foot. Now the conversion for bottom hemming is finished. Options include the EL1, a light to see through the edge of material, and an air guiding hem folder. With the folder, the hem width and position of the edge of folded material is kept uniform with the help of blowing air. Uniform finish is obtained without trimming material. Next, we'll present the conversion to the model for the cover seaming operation of sweatshirts. At Yamato, a walking foot WF2 for covering seam is also available. WF2 enables you to prevent a wavy finish and ensures a smooth feeding of the material and easy material handling by the sliding back and forth of the fabric guide on the top of the presser foot. Conversion of walking foot from WF1 to WF2 for covering seam requires only replacement of the presser foot. Select the gauge parts and install them. Various kinds of gauge parts and guides are available according to the material to be sewn and seam style. Standard type gauge for covering seam, gauge part for covering seam with lightweight fabric, gauge part for lay down cover seam. Standard feed dog and coarse tooth feed dog is also available depending on seam style. install ST2A device. It trims the spreader thread automatically at the same time when under-thread trimmer activated. We'll present the conversion for 4 needle type used for decorative stitch or patchwork. Here is the kit of parts for conversion to 4 needle. Change the thread tension assembly to 6 threads. Change needle clamp, presser foot, stitch plate, and feed dogs. Now the conversion is finished. On VG Series, the unique needle thread take-up system and particular gauge parts enables neat finish without using retainer needle, therefore eliminates needle holes on material by retainer needle. The VG Series can also be converted into a submodel for tape binding. Here is the kit for conversion and gauge parts. As you see, just replace the front cover, guides, and gauge parts. Now the conversion is finished. As you can see, the VG Series can be converted to an exclusive tape binding model. As you saw up to this point, the VG Series equipped with the new right-hand trimming knife mechanism is high in versatility and flexibility, and also can be converted from one version to another version. It works better than conventional single-purpose machines. In the last presentation here, we have the VG 3721 with left-hand knife trimming mechanism. The new left-hand trimming knife mechanism is compact. There is no projection in front of presser foot. Such a downsized mechanism ensures a smooth hemming operation. Also, a newly designed fabric guide helps easy stitch on stitch overlapping. The cut material is held down with the guide. The stroke of movable knife is adjustable from 3 mm to 6.5 mm for light to medium weight material. With this new left-hand trimming knife mechanism, movement of knife can be canceled when trimming is not required. In this way, movement of the knife is canceled by simple operation. Trimming knife can be activated again in a reverse order of procedure for cancellation. Similar to right-hand trimming knife mechanism, the whole trimming knife mechanism can be removed. Here is the conversion kit of covers. Remove the left-hand trimming knife mechanism and replace with the covers. Now the conversion is finished. The machine is the same as the standard model of VG series without the left-hand trimming knife mechanism. This version can be used for general hemming, cover seaming, and binding tapes the same way as the version with the removed right-hand trimming knife mechanism. High sewing speed to improve productivity. Various new mechanisms for a high-quality finish of garment. Epoch-making versatility works constantly for you in order to achieve an excellent effect for equipment investment. New short cylinder bed interlock stitch machine is the solution for your demands, the Yamato VG series.